do it the last 5 minutes. Because it has now been a year and a half. They're due really early this time. They're due on Monday, before Monday. But it's been a year and a half since I've had conducting spots because this class didn't report in the fall. Because at least 2 people didn't do it. So there were only 6 people in here, and if 2 didn't do it, then there's only 4 and they don't report them. And last year I only had 2 people. And then the semester before that, we had the same problem as I didn't fall.
How is that possible? Because you can't do your juries without it.
That's the applied spot. That's a totally different thing from your course spots.
I'm sorry. Don't make me do push-ups, I promise. I'm gonna do it again. Oh, come on. I won't do it again.
You're gonna like carry Cruz out for all of them.
Oh, Lord. For real.
I'm gonna have to put it in.
I would like to think so, I hope so. Anyway, alright. Let me get serious. Oh.
Can't be serious for the full cake and poop out. Christina's got like that back from like Harry Potter where it's like pulls like everything out of it.
I'm like an old lady, like mints and all. Okay,
alright, off you go. Okay, find some space because I can tell you this is not gonna work.
Sorry.
Are you recording?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
Find some space under that arm. Uh-huh.
That was so weak. I'm sorry you had to see that. Okay, I'll do it again.
It was a good tempo. It just, it was tempo, but not other.
Okay.
Mom, be aggressive.
Okay.
I really liked your first measure.
I know. I sped incredibly up.
So what was wrong with the Requiem?
I sped up like crazy for no reason.
I don't know that I'd say you sped up. Yes, not like crazy. It was more boom, boom, boom. It was more angular instead of tia tim dam.
Okay.
I think it just looked like you went to 2. I don't think you actually meant to go to 2 that soon. I think it's the way you actually have it on.
I don't know. Whatever. Okay.
First measure's good. Do that again.
Yeah, I'm wrong. I was ahead. I'm sorry.
You were ahead.
Yeah.
So the problem is in your beat 3. Okay, because your 3, what have I been telling you since we started with beat 3?
It's either too far out or like, at least that's what I remember.
So you are very frequently you're rebounding in.
There we go. You're right. I do remember that once you said it. Yeah.
So 1, and that won't work here because we're on 1, 2, 3, and 1. So really 3, the rebound of 3 needs to be extremely minimal in this rhythmic concept that's here. So just show me 1, 2, 3, and 1.
Okay.
Just that. We're not gonna have to play anything. You know what that is. Get that. It's not here.
I'm sorry.
1, 2, 3. Did you feel that beam?
Yeah.
So you have to go through as if, you know, it's like that bouncing ball out. It can't bounce a different direction unless you put some backspin on it. I won't spin.
All right.
Again.
Okay.
You're negating 2 right now. So
I was gonna do it again.
1, T, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. So what do you guys see? Tell me. Yeah, so it's like you're coming into it with the back of your hand, which doesn't give you an option. So the 1 and 2 were pretty right, but then you need to draw it, and this, it's almost the exact same thing that I had to fix after my undergrad, or in my undergrad. 1, 2, so it has to be this angle, 3. So just put yourself up here on the and of 2, and I just want you to go 3.
Okay, so it's like gonna go down.
Yep.
Okay.
Just on the end of 2.
Oh, okay.
And go. 3. Yeah, but don't change the angle. 3 and, right? Because with everything, it has to be the equal angle. What you're doing is approaching it this way and rebounding up. That doesn't work. That would have to, if that were a ball, that would have to have backspin on it, right? What we want is the approach and the release to be the same. We could approach it as an open angle, but then it has to be more open. Does that make sense? So whatever, it's really like this angle to a flat plane, this angle has to be the same on both sides. Does that make?
If you're going up to 4, how is the left picture not gonna happen?
1, 2, right? We're coming over here. So my 2 goes out. 3 and 4 goes in.
3, 4.
Yeah, except since you changed the angle, it did that. So we do it side by side. I don't know if you can see in the video, but 1, 2, 3. See how I go out? 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. You're kind of like reseating this part of your arm from 3. You're doing it there. I'm going 3 and. 3 and.
So it's the
4.
and that goes up and then 4. What?
3 goes out and then
The and goes out, 4 goes straight in.
Okay.
And you're approaching
and then the and to
4.
4 is the up.
Yes, you're approaching 4
Okay, that makes
this
sense.
way.
I'm stupid. Okay.
You're not. I swear. Down now. 5.
Oh my gosh, are you for real?
I am for real.
Oh my gosh, I don't even know how to do this. Okay.
Come on, 5. Let's go. Let's
Oh
go.
my gosh. I can't believe it. Okay, well, I don't want to do it on the floor because it's gross.
Just put your hands. Come on, I'll do them with you right here. Come on, let's
Oh
go.
my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I'm doing
5
this.
of them. Let's go. 2.
3.
This is amazing. 1 more. Come on.
5. Oh.
Mine are better than yours.
I know. I don't
Oh
exercise.
my gosh, okay, next time as a group.
let's do it as a class.
Oh my gosh.
We are going to break the I am stupid.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay.
Do it with it wrong from the beginning.
Okay.
That was amazing. Feel the energy. You got it.
She's up and
She's tired now. Got it.
Open the body up.
Okay.
All your muscles are engaged now.
Well,
What?
I didn't put in the people.
You didn't put in the people. You hadn't gotten to the people yet. You
Yeah, you
stopped.
were. Yeah, I was.
Well, yes, you needed to look up then, but you still could have salvaged that. Stop stopping. Go.
I'm sorry. Okay. 3. I'm there here. Tom, Something's wrong. I feel like I'm wrong. Am I wrong?
Okay, so no, you were.
I think it
You
just
weren't
is,
leading.
I think you're just thinking a lot about how to approach 3 correctly.
Yeah.
It looks like that's the
Yeah.
only thing you're
And
thinking.
what we're doing, Caitlin. Remember, a tip of the baton. Okay. You.
Sorry.
I know you well enough to know that. I know you know it. But have you gone in and kind of underlined the syllables that you want stressed?
No.
That might help you stay kind of where you need to be. Because I think Dona, eis, domine. And harmonically, it's pretty stable, right? It's the same chord that entire time. But you have to, it's not every beat that we need to be like do, not, eis, domine. And I think that's closer to what you're thinking right now.
Probably.
Because you're thinking 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
Yeah.
So can you do that, the start of that measure? So you get 1, 2, dona.
Okay.
You got this.
Now, what will help you right there is if you don't just beat through ginormous on that. So if I'm doing that one, I would get, the pickup to that is So this little thing, you're holding on to that. So why are we going to go 1, 2, 3? That's why you're getting lost right there. Because you're expecting something to happen, but it's just holding until 4.
Makes sense.
Because right there, that measure, you're like, something should be happening and I don't know what it is.
Okay.
Okay, start from the pickup to that dona measure.
Okay.
So the end of measure 3.
Okay. Okay, the end. Okay.
4, beat 4. Beat 4, measure 3.
The dun.
Oh.
The pickup.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're right. Sorry.
Okay, 3 marks. Okay, so you just need, be careful because every time you get bigger, you're speeding up.
I know.
Okay, so a lot of those 4s are rushing and then you're slowing yourself down. So it's kind of like being in a car with somebody who is just learning how to drive.
Yeah.
Okay, and I know you know that better. So you need to settle yourself down and feel the tiki, 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 tiki the whole time. And then decide where the changes happen because you're doing them, but you're sometimes at the wrong time.
I am guilty.
Okay.
That's true.
And so you can even go back and watch that thing that we just did with Caitlin because we just talked about that little spot, right?
I got right there.
Okay. Can you do the last 3 measures of the before the andante?
I will try.
We hadn't gotten there, but
You got this. Don't gas yourself.
Okay.
fix your body.
Sorry.
When you go back and look at this, you're going to see yourself doing dee, dee, dee. Every time you've come through 4, you're like stabbing 4 upwards.
Okay.
And 4 in each of those spots does not need any kind of emphasis. So we get 1, luce, ti, 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 ti. Right? So I'm really trying to negate 4 as much as I can in each one of those places. Do it last time, and I want you to make the transition to the andante.
Okay. Sorry.
That won't fly, but
Yeah.
already end. Go through the 3 over there. other thing that and of 3 does for you is that it kicks you forward. You're going dee da dee da dee da dee da dee, and each measure then is a little bit faster. Yeah.
45.
Okay. So you guys all need to work on that. I want to be able to see from everybody, hopefully, the transition to the Andante on Wednesday, and you will give me any questions. So right now, you're going to go onto your phone, follow the link that was in the thing that I gave you, and do your spot.
Can I ask you another question?
You can.
Were you singing your like kind of conductor's line type thing? Because you were saying I was listening to you singing
sometimes I think I was singing partly the tenor there as well.
Yeah, you were singing this, but then you sang that like really poor like the soprano, the whatever drop part.
Yes, I probably was, but I'm very conscious of singing